back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes. I'm not in the kitchen, I'm outside enjoying this beautiful weather. The weather is so fantastic. When I look in the sky is just so clear. And you know what I mean, the blue sky is just amazing. But anyway, I want to take you straight into a lovely smoothie, guys, today. That you guys can just make this at home if you hang out in the back garden or wherever you are. This coming really handy for you. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. And also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Share the video and let someone know about Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram and all social media, Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm gonna be making you a fantastic smoothie recipe at home in your own kitchen today by using certain kind of ingredients which is you guys familiar with at home. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dig in straight into the side of it. I got some low fat yogurt right here which I need to show you exactly what I'm going to do. Is mango and passion fruits, really fantastic and an amazing one. So basically what I'm going to do is pour roughly about quarter of my low fat yogurt inside of it, and I'm going to be using some syrup, roughly about a teaspoon of syrup. Now what I'm going to do is get a few of my ripe banana and strawberry, put it straight inside of it, roughly about, not a lot, about 4 tablespoons. That's good to go. You can use milk or, you know what I mean, but I have some tropical juice right here. I'm just gonna be adding a little bit to it to free up the blender a little bit. So definitely gonna just give it a lovely mix up right here. So let's dig into it, guys. So we're gonna be blending this about 2 to 3 seconds.